National animal of Korea is horangi, tiger. But why horangi is national animal of Korea? Strongly associated with Korean people, regarded as guardian that drives away evil spirit and brings good luck, symbol of courage, power, and there are lots of myth, etc. You can Google it. Fact: the mascot of 1998 Summer Olympic was Hodori, symbolized horangi to represent Korean people. 내 자아는 동물 호랑이입니다. My favorite animal is 호랑이, tiger. Let's learn some other 동물. So, cow, cattle. 염소, goat. 물소, buffalo, water cow. 닭, chicken, also hen. 암탉, hen. Not thal, 닭. You should pronounce second on. Only in these two, it seems like 20 and 27, you should pronounce second on. 수탉, cock. 병아리, chick. 달걀 and 계란. Is there any difference? Yes, ma'am. But not a big. Both are exactly same and substitutable each other. 달걀 is pure Korean word. 닭 plus al, chicken plus egg. If you repeat it quickly, tagal, that will be changed into 달걀. It is more comfortable to pronounce. And second one, 계란, is composed by Chinese letter K plus ran, chicken plus egg. That's it. Is it clear? Shut up, K. K. What is K? K. Dog. K. Crab. Exactly same. Kemi and Keguri. Frog. Kamari. Leech. Kami. Spider. That's all for today. 동물 animal. But if you want to know more 동물, I will do for you.